Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can send Tether from Coinbase to Bitmart. Now Coinbase and Bitmart is both a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto as well as transfer crypto. So you can transfer crypto within these two, alright? The first step is, since we're transferring Tether, you need to open your Bitmart app or your Bitmart on your browser and copy the address of Tether because we are transferring Tether. So make sure you copy the address of Tether. Once you copy the wallet address of Tether, you can come back to coinbase.com. Now I'm going to be showing the steps which you need to do over here in order for the copied wallet address to be used. Alright, so let me show you the steps. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? Once you copy the wallet address of Tether from Bitmart, you come to Coinbase and you go on send/receive and be on the send section. Once you're over here where it says pay with, click on it and over here search USDT because we're transferring USDT. So choose Tether over here. So Tether is also known as USDT, alright? Once you choose USDT over here, enter the amount over here. So it's an NPR. So I'm gonna send around 80 NPR worth of USDT, which means 80 rupees worth of USDT. If yours says dollar over here and you write 80, that means you're going to be sending $80 worth of USDT, not 80 USDT, but $80 or 80 NPR or whatever currency symbol you have right now, that much. Alright, once you do that, paste the address which you copied from Bitmart and click on continue. Once you click on continue, on the next step there's going to be a security checkup. It's going to ask you to confirm your identity for security checkup from Coinbase. Once you complete the security setup, then basically 80 NPR or $80 worth of USDT will be transferred to your Bitmart account, alright? Because you pasted your Bitmart account's address over here. So make sure you copy USDT's address, don't copy anything else, and it should work. So hope you guys understand our video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.